In this problem, we're going to represent the Blackline Master 69 with crayons. So in this pattern, in this first box, we have 4 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this second 2 boxes will represent our second step or our second term, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 crayons. And in our third line of crayons, which would represent our third step, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 crayons. So we're going to look off of this function table, and we're going to try to find out what the rule will be for this function. So in our first box, we have the first one, we have 4. So in this function box, we have 1. The first step is 4 sticks, or 4 crayons in our case. And on the second one, we have 7 crayons, and on the third, we have 10. So when we go from 4 to 7, we're adding 3. So we're going to write plus 3, just like this. From 4 to 7, you're adding 3. So when you go from 7 to 10, you're doing the same thing and adding 3. So if we were to make a group of 4 and we want to add 3, it would look something like this. It would be our 4th term, so we would have 4 boxes together. And there would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So there's 13 crayons. So we're going to put 13 right here. So from going from 1 to 4, or from our first term, there's 4, you're adding 3 to get 7. Then from 7 to 10, you're adding 3. And from 10 to 13, you're adding another 3. So we're going to continue this for the rest of our graph. So 13 plus 3 equals 16. And 16 plus 3, right, you're going to write plus 3, is 19. And we're just going to continue doing this. So 19 plus 3 is 22. So now we want to find the 20th term. But let's write out our function first. So we're adding 3 times our term. But you have to add 1 more to get to 4, just like from 1 to 4. So in this equation, 1 plus 3 times your term. So we're going to call that x. So our rule is 1 plus 3 times x. So we're going to try this out throughout our entire function table. So 1 plus 3 times 1 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals, or times 2, equals 7. Because 3 times 2 equals 6, and you're adding 1, and you're getting 7. So let's say we're wanting to try to find the 20th term. You're going to do 1 plus 3 times 20. Because 20 is where your x would be, and x is your steps at the very top. So 20 times 3 is 60. And you're doing 60 plus 1 equals 61. So your 20th term on this table is 61. And we could do that by representing with crayons, but that would take a really long time. So that's why we're using this rule of 1 plus 3 times x to equal your answer.